Are you a Shopify store owner? Then, lost packages, damaged goods, or any other shipping issues are nightmares for you, right? According to various studies, 7% to 11% of online orders arrive broken, damaged, or worse, stolen. Sometimes this happens that you were looking at profits for the last 3 weeks, then, boom! 2 products damaged and you gotta pay a refund, plus your product is lost forever. All that hard work for the last 3 weeks is destroyed in a second. You could use third-party insurance companies, but that will just cause more frustration to your customer due to their lengthy process, and ultimately, your customers will come to you for the refund. We created Assurify Shipping Insurance so that you can say bye-bye to the third-party insurances and handle all the customer claims on your own without breaking a penny from your profit. Installing and activating Assurify is very easy. Just go to the app page and hit install. Follow the prompts to enable the extensions. That's it. You are all set. Assurify has automatically integrated a shipping protection button to your store. You can customize how you want to charge for shipping protection, and Assurify will add that to the order value. Customers can unselect and choose to not take shipping protection if they want. This way, you can generate another stream of revenue which you can use to offset the cost of refund for damaged or lost goods. Studies show that 80% of customers opt in for paying extra fee for shipping protection, and only 10% to 20% is used to refund or replace the product, so you can enjoy the additional profit while keeping your customers happy and coming for more. Why use Assurify? First, unlike other shipping protection apps, Assurify doesn't take any charges from your order values. You can keep all the premiums from your customer to yourself. Second, Assurify has a return management system where you can request your customer to return the damaged product, which can further compensate for your loss. Third, it doesn't require any manual setup or 24-hour setup time, and all functionality is seamlessly integrated into the store's backend. You will not require any manual support to install and use this app. And lastly, Assurify has a very affordable pricing plan for any size of business. You can start with our free plan of 50 orders per month or 15-day trial of any other plan. If you feel satisfied, then you can upgrade to any other plan or continue using the free plan based on your needs. Assurify will make your life easy and stress-free. Let Assurify steal away your stress and frustrations. Install it now.